Cassini used the visible and infrared mapping spectrometer alongside a host of other instruments in order to measure and map the distribution and heat of different compounds on the mission to Saturn. So I found the infrared emissions of ammonia, hydrogen cyanide, methane, and ice. These are compounds that were scattered throughout the various destinations on the mission. And I converted this into frequency and amplitude, which I then put into some tone generators inside Max. From there, I was able to create sound. I further processed the audio in order to add randomness as if these compounds were hitting the sensors at different times. So here it is. Have a listen.